Hello, welcome to the Orcanos Academy training session. Today we will see trace items. Traceability helps you in managing the baseline of each requirement or products you build. The most common way and easy to add traceability to a work item can be achieved from each work item's traceability tab. Before adding traceability to any work item, you need to make sure users belonging to the group should have edit permission and traceability settings are configured between the source and the target work item. To add the traceability from one source work item to another target work item, on the product tree page, select the work item. Here we have selected test case. Navigate to the traceability tab. Click on the red plus icon at the bottom right corner. A dialog window for Add Traceability selection will be opened. Select the project. Select the work item. Here we are selecting doc work item. Filter. Here we are selecting all items filter. Link type. We have selected mitigation risk. It will list all the values from the link type table. User can add the comments. Now select source in case you want the selected item to be set as source. Select target in case you want selected item to be set as the target. Select the work item records. User can select single or multiple work items. Click on trace. Selecting this option will save the traceability and will not close the dialog window. Click on trace and exit. Selecting this option will save the traceability and close the dialog window. Traceability is added successfully. User can edit the link type by click on the edit icon or pencil icon. Select the link type from the list. Add comments if needed. Click on save. Traceability link will be updated. User can change the direction of traces provided the traceability settings are configured to work either way. User can remove the traceability by clicking on the cross icon. User will be prompted with, "Are you sure you want to delete selected traceability?" Select OK. Traceability will be removed successfully. Note that the traceability can't be added for obsolete items or items under signing process. That is routing state in work. Thank you.